Lisa. These are yours. That one I'm right there. Oh, hairbreadth too.
Oh,
Pretty.
boy.
You can go for the bigger one. I'm gonna leave it jump on.
Oh, you got smiles on her face.
Ooh, was there a door closed? The door's closing?
What is it? Yeah.
You got her needle. Oh, please.
Did you use it on your teeth first? Hey,
Yeah. Go read it on to you.
What, you
Hey,
get
Lisa.
your vibe
Bum
today?
disease.
Hey, Layla.
Bum disease.
They're big.
Jewelry box. That is very pretty.
That is for you.
No, that's for you.
No, that's yours.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, I'll take it back.
Oh, boy.
Magnet doodle.
Thank you, honey.
David. Oh, I needed that really bad.
What is it, Daddy?
You didn't see it, Sylvia?
Look at this.
Wow. Fanny Paul.
Oh, let me.
NBA Barbie, when did they start letting girls into the NBA?
Look.
All right.
That was easy. Mother.
Short. All right.
Did you read it?
Now.
Why don't you open the other one first and then let's see what's that one. Open this one.
Now,
see
where
what's
did-
different.
Charlotte Hornet?
Yeah.
It makes it look like
I had to pick that one.
Grandpa. You took that picture that I pulled at me, so it looks like this is my gift.
Chrissy got a magna doodle.
Oh, did she? Yeah. I don't think she's mature enough for you yet, but she can try to use it, I guess.
You can't even move up.
Well, you're not smart
That
enough.
I bet I worked 30 minutes trying to get her bear out of that box last night.
Looks like Alyssa might have a magnet doodle too.
Oh, Lena does.
Elena.
Oh, boy.
What's in here?
I did that too, Penny. I had to see it.
Yeah, you just can't read the box.
What a piece of ghost.
David said he got me your Aunt Lauren.
Oh, it's like a...
That tape, but
Tape.
yeah,
Here, guys, this is from the kids.
it's nothing special.
Yeah, nothing at all, hardly at all. All messed up now.
Yeah, it looks
Oh, look at her, Barbie.
All right.
Did you get a Barbie? Yay. Oh, how
Right.
pretty.
Oh, boy.
Turn on, show Aunt Debbie. Show Aunt Debbie your Barbie.
Suck it in, son, suck it in.
Yeah, Margie.
Have you Chrissy heard?
That's mom.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've seen her. Yeah.
She must like magnet.
I've heard something.
She sucks it in and sticks it out.
Usually I smell by the time she opens
That
it.
orange is pretty
That's
squishy.
saying
now.
that.
I don't think I'm gonna get Alicia's face.
Why don't you turn around looking at
Turn
Debbie?
look around, look at Aunt Debbie. Look behind you. Look at Aunt Debbie.
But she got a camera.
Look at this.
Ooh, water here.
Yours is different, huh? That's cool. You know how to use that, don't you?
Don't you ruin my film. That's what I really want.
You ran away before I
Oh, here's more of it. We sprinkle.
Yeah, that's a molder or stencil.
That's a stencil light.
Get it done before you break it.
Man, get that
Don't
piece
break
of
it.
plastic up.
That goes on, you trace it on your board with that, draw that picture.
There.
Yeah, so you just put your pencil in there.
Well, you gotta pay the neuter, yeah. 25 for Duchess.
Oh, we had the other day, we saw that sign, Shih Tzus for sale.
Where's
Oh,
that?
yeah.
It's either out on Slater or Buck Road
The
somewhere
string
out
is on
Lanes.
top.
I got one.
Not so hard. Doesn't it? She's trying to use the wrong side.
You bring your camera, David?
She She was saying you are gonna be in so much trouble because you're 3 minutes late.
She said it's 7:01. Where the heck is he at?
What?
What?
Here. For you and Dad.
Gonna fit over your ring.
Isn't it pretty?
Yes, it is.
Oh, but I don't want to take it back to get a smaller size because this is the one.
No, just get something to fit over here.
Like what? Let me see yours.
If it's only one size, mine's way too big. I don't have it yet. If it's only one size, you can get this little plastic thing that slips underneath.
That's what I thought about his class ring. There's like a clip or something. that
Can
you
we
can
get two? One for the class ring and one for the...
You might want to class ring back.
Hey, yo, that's mine.
It doesn't ruin the
They're
ring.
not that
Take it
big.
off.
What's she doing? Taking your gift?
Yes. She took my jewelry box. I like that.
Well, Christy, you got a
She just wants
baby
salt.
doll, a Magnadoodle this year.
Hey, who's that's not mine?
This is yours too now, don't forget.
Okay, bye. No, honey,
Where you going? I thought you wanted to play a game of dice. David's been waiting.
Say hi to
Yeah, we're
Kate.
leaving
Here's
it.
yours. Wait. Where's yours?
Aw, you that.
But that's my jewelry box, and now yours is right there.